Planning to update your iPhone to iOS 18.2.1? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the essential steps to prepare your device for a smooth update process. Before installing the update, the first step is to back up your iPhone. Open the Settings app and use the search bar at the top to type iCloud Backup. Select the option with the same name, and on the next screen, toggle on Backup this iPhone. Wait until your backup is complete. If you don't have enough iCloud storage, you can connect your phone to a computer and manually export your files using iTunes or Finder. Next, ensure you have enough free storage space on your iPhone. Go back to the Settings home screen, select General, and tap on iPhone Storage. You'll see how much space is available. To avoid issues, make sure you have at least 5 GB of free space before proceeding. Also, check that your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network, especially if you don't have unlimited mobile data. Once everything is ready, return to Settings, go to General, and tap on Software Update. If iOS 18.2.1 is available, tap Download and Install to begin the update process. That's it. Your iPhone is now prepared for the latest iOS update. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss out.